Yeah, very well done. Very well done. That might be the one move in the frame that we've become waiting a long time for. Did hit this nicely, and he managed to spread reds around.
Seven.
Also well played. There's some kind of force field in that left corner.
Those two reds stubbornly stuck together,
59.
but not anymore.
$60.